stealth coating on the starboard wing is heavily compromised. Barnacle coverage exceeds 75%.
That's the flying wing. Confirm contact at 800 feet.
Recovery sequence initiated. DSRV active.
The readings on the leading edge are critical. Significant water intrusion detected.
Confirmed. Documenting the delamination near the exhaust now.
Bring her up steady. Watch the load stress. Copies that. Synchronization looks good on this side. Wind picking up, adjust heading 250.
Holding steady, Commander.
Strap is secure on this end. Bridge lowering sequence engaged, mark 0 feet.
Roger that. All hands, stand by for touchdown.
Starboard side clear.
Easy. A hair to the left. Hold it right there. Set. It's secure. Well done, everyone.
Confirm touchdown, all systems green.
Successful recovery. Great work, team.
Opening corroded cockpit canopy of B2 Spirit, revealing water-damaged flight deck, rusted instrument panels.
Inspection of B2 Spirit internal weapons bays. Rotary launcher mechanisms seized with corrosion. Structural integrity of bay doors compromised. Marine growth inside. Cross-referencing the SNs now. This one matches the manifest.
Document the water damage on auxiliary power. It's severe. Confirmed.
Technicians carefully removing corroded access panels from B2 Spirit belly, revealing internal structure. Extensive corrosion visible.
First look inside B2 Spirit engine bays. 4 F-118 GIM GE-100N corroded and seized.
Examining B2 Spirit main landing gear. Tricycle configuration completely corroded, tires deteriorated, hydraulic cylinders leaked and rusted, complete rebuild necessary.
Low pressure washing of B2 Spirit composite surfaces, removing marine growth without damaging underlying material. Application of specialized composite-safe cleaning chemicals to B2 Spirit surfaces, dissolving organic growth and corrosion. Careful formulation to avoid damage.
Removing decomposed seaweed from B2 Spirit landing gear bays and panel gaps. Extracting organic matter from tight spaces.
Cleaning crystallized salt deposits from B2 Spirit engine inlets and exhausts, preventing corrosion acceleration. Detailed cleaning of complex inlet geometry. Applying corrosion-inhibiting treatments to exposed metal components of B2 Spirit, stopping active oxidation, preparing for restoration work.
Inspecting B2 Spirit fuel tank structure within flying wing, checking for leaks and corrosion. Integral tanks built into wing structure, complex restoration challenge.
Opening alartments in B2 Spirit.
Now that it's clean, we can see the true extent of the damage. Look at the frayed wiring here.
I'm getting a read on the depth of the scratches.
Okay, updating the restoration plan accordingly.
Extracting exhaust system components from B2 Spirit, V-shaped outlets designed for infrared suppression, damaged by saltwater, complete replacement needed.
We have full separation from the fuselage now.
All right, let's move it to the inspection bay. That corrosion is extensive.
Removing flight control computers from B2 Spirit, quadruple redundant fly-by-wire systems corroded, extracting for complete replacement.
Removing auxiliary power unit from B2 Spirit tail section, small turbine completely corroded. APU bay cleaning.
The humidity levels are dropping steadily in Section 4.
Good. We need to maintain the 70-degree delta across the composite structure.
Setting up specialized equipment to remove 4 F-118 GE-100 engines. Easy on the starboard side.
Watch the alignment, roger that, holding steady.
Third engine being pulled from B2 Spirit structure. Internal baffles and heat shielding visible in empty bay. Progressive disassembly.
Final engine extracted from B2 Spirit. All 4 bays now empty. Extent of internal structure visible. Major milestone achieved.
Check the schematic for the P2 connector.
Aligning pin 1. It's secure now.
Third F-118 engine installation in B2 Spirit progressing. All mounting bolts torqued to specification. Vibration isolators installed.
Okay, easy now. Watch the lower S-bend.
Got it. The ram coating is clear.
Removing main landing gear assemblies from B2 Spirit. Dual 4-wheel bogies completely seized. Heavy components requiring overhead crane.
The corrosion on these actuators is worse than we thought.
Agreed. We need to check the edge treatments before removal.
These actuators for the control surfaces are completely seized.
All right, we've got the replacement ready right here.
Accessing integral fuel tanks in B2 Spirit flying wing, draining contaminated fuel and water mixture, inspecting tank interiors.
We have water intrusion confirmed here at the panel edge.
Noted. Delamination looks extensive. Mapping it now.
Rebuilding B2 Spirit flying wing leading edges, critical aerodynamic surfaces, composite layup with radar-absorbent materials integrated.
Ensure the geometry is precise on this serration.
Scanning now. The W-shaped contour looks good, right within tolerance for the radar signature.
Reinforcing internal composite frames of B2 Spirit, critical load-bearing members, carbon fiber reinforcement following aerospace standards.
Bonding new composite skin panels to B2 Spirit structure. Specialized aerospace adhesives. Precise temperature and pressure control.
Inspecting main wing spar structure of B2 Spirit flying wing. Critical structural component running span of aircraft. Ultrasonic testing. Complete removal of all internal systems from B2 Spirit, reducing to bare composite airframe structure. Flying wing skeleton exposed.
Installing completely rebuilt main landing gear in B2 Spirit. Dual 4-wheel bogies. Hydraulic systems connected.
Installing restored nose landing gear in B2 Spirit. Dual wheel configuration. Steering system connected.
Attempting to retract B2 Spirit landing gear for removal. Hydraulic systems non-functional. Manual retraction using specialized tools. Rebuilding landing gear attachment points in B2 Spirit. Critical high-load areas. Titanium reinforcement plates bonded to composite.
Torque is set. Go ahead and confirm the reading on the tablet.
Reading confirmed at 250 inch-pounds. Good to go?
Resealing integral fuel tanks within B2 Spirit wing structure. Applying fuel-resistant sealants. Leak testing each section.
Rebuilding elevon control surfaces for B2 Spirit. Composite construction with internal ribs. Maintaining aerodynamic profiles.
Focus the UV lamp right here on the composite patch. We need a perfect cure on the drag rudder joint.
Applying steady pressure with the roller now.
Rebuilding cockpit window frames in B2 Spirit. Composite structure with metal reinforcements. Precision fitting for new glass.
Manufacturing hundreds of replacement access panels for B2 Spirit. Composite construction. Maintaining flush surfaces for stealth.
Installing new seals around all B2 Spirit doors and panels. Radar absorbent seal material. Precise gap tolerances.
Inspecting all bonded joints in B2 Spirit composite structure. Ultrasonic testing. Ensuring bond integrity meets specifications.
Conducting structural load tests on repaired B2 Spirit sections. Hydraulic jacks applying design loads, measuring deflection and stress.
Apply heat evenly across the surface. Torque is set on the rudder bolt. We have clearance. The thermal blanket is secure. We're holding steady at 350. All right, cross-reference that with the structural schematic, section 4. Performing comprehensive NDT on all B2 Spirit structural repairs. X-ray, ultrasound, thermography, ensuring hidden defects found.
Laser measuring entire B2 Spirit structure. Verifying geometry matches original specifications. Critical for stealth and flight characteristics.
Inspecting B2 Spirit composite surfaces for smoothness. Any irregularity affects radar cross-section. Precision surface finishing.
Verifying all panel joints and gaps on B2 Spirit meet tolerances. Flush surfaces required for stealth. Precision shimming.
Engineering sign-off on B2 Spirit structural restoration. Certifying airframe meets original design specifications. Major milestone.
Installing new serpentine intake ducting in B2 Spirit. S-shaped passages hide engine from radar. Classified geometry maintained.
Give it 3 clicks on that fastener.
Reading confirmed. Applying final torque.
The EFA deck is seated. Monitor the digital management interface.
Confirmed. We have full authority and green status.
Fuel line connected. Go ahead with the test.
Pressure holding steady. Test passed.
Installing new hydraulic pumps and lines throughout B2 Spirit. Triple redundant system for flight controls and landing gear.
Torque it to specifications.
Running the final diagnostic check. Calibration is complete.
New flight control computer installed.
Diagnostics complete. Quad redundancy is online. Installing modern avionics suite in B2 Spirit. Upgraded while maintaining classified capabilities. Rack-mounted systems.
Alignment marker reads green. How's the coupling on your side?
Secure. We have solid contact across the array.
Installing secure communication radios in B2 Spirit, encrypted satellite communications, multiple redundant systems.
Installing GPS and inertial navigation systems in B2 Spirit. Precise location critical for weapons delivery.
Installing rotary launcher and weapons management systems in B2 Spirit bays. Capacity for 40,000 pounds ordnance.
Okay, the primary ducting is secure.
Copy that. Moving to the pressure regulators now.
Diagnostics on auxiliary systems clear.
Copy. Continue cleaning sequence on panel 7.
All fittings secured on the primary regulator. What's the readout on the distribution?
Getting a green status across the manifold.
Running new electrical wiring throughout B2 Spirit. Miles of cables. Classified electromagnetic shielding requirements.
Aligned to position 4. Torque spec confirmed on the tablet.
Roger that. Applying final torque and securing the clamp.
Installing rebuilt auxiliary power unit in B2 Spirit. Independent power source for ground operations.
Torque on the Halen manifold is good.
Confirming sensor alignment on the diagnostic interface. Looks nominal.
All right, secure the panel.
Torque checks complete on the primary display.
Harness secure. Analog backups are online.
Explosive charges armed.
Safety systems tested. We show green across the board.
Inspecting Nomex honeycomb core material in B2 Spirit structure, checking for water damage and deterioration. Extensive sections require replacement.
Grid alignment is holding steady. Data capture looks solid.
All right, let's maintain this overlap around the cockpit glazing.
The structural refurbishment alone is projected to hit $200 million.
Based on this analysis.
That's significant, but
Engineers reviewing B2 Spirit technical manuals and classified blueprints, planning access points for internal inspection,
Conducting system integration tests on B2 Spirit. Verifying all systems communicate properly. Troubleshooting interfaces.
Lowering sequence complete. All stations confirm green.
Confirmed. Position locked.
Conducting radar cross-section testing of restored B2 Spirit in anechoic chamber. Verifying stealth characteristics match original specifications.